Inventory is very important for a lot of our customers that are running on a short lead time.
The things that we are asked to solve is, hey, I'm supposed to get this part from XYZ place, and it could be an Asian component 6 weeks out.
When you start measuring with the cost of a machine being down, every hour, not day, every hour that that machine is down is critical to their success, which is critical to ours. If they're not successful, they're not going to buy parts from us if they end up having to close their doors.
If you get somebody that calls and says they need a part immediately and it's just a standard part, if you have it, you're more than likely going to get that sale. If you don't have it in stock, they're going to generally go somewhere else to somebody that has it.
We work really hard at stocking the parts that we see are being sold. We have systems in place that monitor that. We review it constantly.
We make 10,000 unique part numbers, standard part numbers. We also, about 20% of our business is specials. So we make, during the course of the year, an enormous variety of components.
We are doing what we can to make sure the customer gets what they need, when they need it, and it works.